Alright, what's good, you beautiful people? Today, I'm gonna show you two bodyweight exercises that completely changed my life. They built me insane muscle mass and insane levels of strength. So, if you're looking to change your life, you don't need a gym membership and you don't need any fancy equipment or supplements. All you need is good amount of protein you get from food and make use of your house to build the dream physique you want. I'm going to show you the physique and strength I got from just doing bodyweight exercises for the past 2.5 or 3 years. So first thing, we're going to come here to the kitchen. Hold up. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen counter. You see here it's like kind of a corner. So what we do here is we take advantage of that. Okay, so try to put this properly. Hold up so you guys can see me. Okay, this should be perfect. So this is the corner of the kitchen counter. What we're gonna do is place our hands on both sides, lift our body weight, and perform a dip and push back up. Now, what this will do is it will build us insane strength, first of all, but also a good amount of muscles in our shoulders, triceps, and chest. Another push exercise I want you guys to master, let alone just do, is the push ups. So we get on the ground and push up, and we start doing push ups. Okay? If you want to make this more difficult, you can put your arms a bit wider and do the archer push-ups like this until you build the strength to eventually do the one-arm push-ups. God damn it. Alright? Something like this. And then, of course, you build the strength to do other variations, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So, that's the first exercise, dips or push-ups. I suggest you master the push-ups first and move on to the dips. Now, second exercise. Let's target the back, biceps, and I would say the rear delts as well. Right there, we got a push-up bar. And all we're gonna do is hang and pull ourselves up. Like that. If you want to target the biceps more, you can supinate the grip and pull up with your biceps facing towards you. Okay, very simple, very clear and straightforward. I don't know if you guys can see the physique right here. This is the physique you can expect after doing good amount of body weight. Now, when these exercises get easy, we get a backpack and we stuff it with some weight. Simple, right? But I don't get the confusion with this in the fitness community. Also, guys, it's good to target your legs. You want to be a complete athlete and build overall strength. So, some squats. I'm doing them right now. It might look a bit inappropriate when I'm recording myself, but what physique did this build me? Well, let's try to find a good lighting. I adapted this right here. Let's try it. Okay. And it's unstable, god damn. Oh, yes. So this is the physique that you can expect. Honestly, the lighting is pretty shite, but okay, no, the lighting is bad. And hopefully soon you'll see my six packs when I go in a good cut. We've been bulking for a bit, but this is the physique. The strength. Once you master your body weight, you can do impressive skills. Like, let me show you one so you guys can see it. A full proof of why you should focus on body weight. Okay, I'm kind of like, I don't know if I'm showing off or I'm actually like educating, whatever. Watch this. So you do this, go up, and press up to a handstand. And now, this was the skill I mastered besides the bodyweight exercises. But this is pretty much it. Guys, give me a like for that skill. Come on. And Don't forget to subscribe, because if you want to learn, do skills, build muscles, more tips, I got you. And just let me do you some good. I have a free program which will help you, give you all the details of bodyweight training, starting calisthenics at home. The link is down. It's free. This is a gift for you. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.